Father Patricia, your dedicated religious life, your spirituality, humility, and kindness have transformed lives of many, including myself. As you complete 17 long years at the Basilica of Bom Jesus and move forward on your next assignment, I wish God keep blessing you and you enjoy good health of mind and body. You are indeed really a special person, and I would like to dedicate a small song to you. We will miss you, Father, very much at the Basilica of Bom Jesus, Old Goa. Have you ever stopped to think why people say they really love you? Have you ever cared to know the reason why they really love you? Oh yes, there's something good in you, and the reason is because you are you. Silver and gold can't buy the person that you are. People accept you for what you really are. So be you, always be you. That's what you really are. Silver and gold can't buy the person that you are. People accept you for what you really are. So be you, always be you. That's what you really are. Have you ever stopped to think why people say they can't forget you? Have you ever cared to know the reason why they really miss you? Oh yes, it's simply nice to hear, and the reason is because you are you. Silver and gold can't buy the person that you are. People accept you for what you really are. So be you, always be you. That's what you really are. Silver and gold can't buy the person that you are. People accept you for what you really are. So be you, always be you. That's what you really are. That's you really are. We will miss you, Father Patricio, very much at Basilica of Bom Jesus, Old Goa.